sticky, chewy, with a burst of molten gula melaka inside. We are making onde today. Step 1. Peel, chop and steam your sweet potato. Step 2. Steam freshly grated coconut with pandan and salt. Step 3. Bring together mashed sweet potato, tapioca flour, glutinous rice flour and hot water to form a sticky dough. A little oil and knead until smooth. Cut into 15-gram pieces. Roll into smooth balls and flatten into a disc. Thin out the edges, then stuff with gula melaka and seal. Cook the balls in hot water for about 10 minutes. Toss in steamed grated coconut and enjoy them warm.